Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another palette throwback Thursday. In today's video, I am going to be working with the PUR and RawBeautyKristi palette. So not a super old palette by any means, but it's a palette that I've had for a couple months and I know a ton of people got it and I know a ton of people are just now starting to get it. So I wanted to put out another look that does use this palette. I will throughout the video link other looks that I have done with this palette up in the eye and down below so that you guys can see some other inspiration if you just recently got this palette or something like that and you really are just looking for inspiration. But this is today's look. I know it's not super crazy, but I just wanted to go a little bit more neutral and classic and easy for today's look. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I already went ahead and primed my lids and I did set my brow bone with my whole heart as well. So there's this look that I've been doing a lot lately in my normal life that I've been absolutely loving. It was actually inspired by my Capricorn look from my Halloween series. I was kind of trying to find some way to do a more wearable version of that because I really loved the way that it looked and kind of some of the techniques that I used in doing that. This isn't the palette that I usually use to do it, but I usually use cool tones for it. So I'm going to stick into the cool tone side of this palette today and I'm going to attempt to recreate this look with completely different shades pretty much because I've been using just straight neutral browns. I'm going to start off with a big fluffy brush and I'm going to go into this shade right here, Move Point, and start using it as my transition. However, this transition is going to start right here and we're going to really build it up right on this inner corner space and then just kind of gently flick it out. So I really just want to keep the color really focused on my inner corner like this. Next up, I'm going to take a slightly smaller brush and I'm actually going to mix together Mood Point and You're Not My Real Dad because I want to try to create a shade that's between the two of them. I'm just going to start to build that up just underneath it. And then with even a slightly smaller brush, I'm going to go into You're Not My Real Dad and just really deepen up that crease right there. And then back into Mood Point with our first fluffy brush, just blend everything. And then really quick, I'm just going to take my big fluffy brush and just blend over the top with my whole heart. And then last but not least, I'm going to dip into my whole heart with a flat shader brush and I'm just going to pack that over my entire lids, this whole open space. Alright, perfect. I know it looks super simple right now. It'll all come together in the end. So I'm going to jump off and I'm going to put on some wings and do my base and then I'll be back to keep going on this look. So I did manage to fuck up my wings just a little bit. I didn't intend for them to be this big, but here we are. I'm going to go in with the Essence Contouring Duo and I'm just going to do a little tiny bit of contour. I'm not going to go too crazy. And then for bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And then for my under eyes, I'm going to start off by lining my under eyes with You're Not My Real Dad and then smoking it out with Mood Point, and then I'll just probably blend it out just a little bit more with my whole heart. And then for blush, I'm going to go in with e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in Always Rosy. Okay, and then I'm going to take this Too Faced Do You Translucent Radiant Nude Setting Powder and just use that to bring a little bit of life back to my skin. And then I'm going to dip into the ABH Nicole Glow Kit, and this is my old one, so it's beat up, but I'm going to go into the shade Forever Young as my highlight. Alright, I am going to hop off and toss on my brows and do a couple other things, and I'm actually going to come back and show you how I finish up my eyeliner to do this look in particular. So I will be right back. Okay, so I have you guys zoomed in as far as I can, and I've scooted as close as I can get to the camera. So I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Waterproof Eye Booster. And really quick, I am just going to touch up the outsides of my wings because they did get a little bit covered up with like concealer and stuff like that. And then the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that little bit of stuff off my face. I'm going to take my eyeliner and I'm just going to kind of extend my inner corner just a little bit. And then basically fill in my tear duct and join that line with my waterline. I really feel like it just makes a huge difference in the way the eye looks, especially pulling a lot of the shape right here. It really just kind of elongates the eye and just makes it, I don't know, I just really like the way that it looks. So I'm going to jump back off. I'm going to toss on some PUR and RawBeautyKristi lashes. I'm also going to toss on some Wet n Wild Bare to Comment lip liner and then the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Moon. And I will be right back. Alright guys, so that is going to wrap up today's look. I know I didn't like reinvent the wheel here or anything like that, but this has been like my go-to favorite style look to do. Just kind of more heavy in the crease out here, bigger wing, pull the liner to the inner corner. I just think that it looks so flattering on the eye, and especially with like a really good pair of lashes, it just, everything comes together really well, and it's just a nice, easy, not natural, but just a nice, easy look that looks really pulled together. Comment down below and tell me what your favorite palette that you've been using recently is. I would love to know. Please subscribe if you have not already. It would mean the world to me. Like this video, ring the bell, do all the things. I hope that you guys have an awesome, awesome day, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!